Hey guys, it's 9 o'clock on a Saturday morning. I'm going camping this weekend to Lindeman. It's 2 hours outside of Vancouver, but first I'm gonna eat some breakfast. We just hit the road now. It's going to be like a 2-hour drive from Vancouver to the camping spot. Maybe we stop in Abbotsford for a quick beverage and a snack. But now we're enjoying the ride. It's a quite beautiful ride. But let's see you at the brewery. So we're just making a quick stop in Abbotsford here. We're visiting Fieldhouse Brewing. They have good beer and good pizza. Let's check it out. Guys, we just arrived at the campsite. It's beautiful here, middle of the forest, and we're gonna set up a fire and make some sausages soon, so it's gonna be exciting.
There's an imminent storm, it's unavoidable. Oh, be no worry.
Just having the last sip of beer. We have to get up really early in the morning, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. So we're just in the parking lot in front of the hike. There's some bad weather coming, so hopefully you stay dry, because I don't have my rain jacket with me, always like good prepared. The hike starts right here. It's about a 1-hour hike. So I'm excited to see the blue water at the lake, so let's go. So the hike is pretty steep. We're about 1 hour on the way now, and I don't see the lake coming, so it's gonna be like a while until we are up there. But it's so beautiful, like there's a river running. Yes, we made it! It's a nice lake here. Too cold to jump in though. Luckily the weather didn't rain. It was a nice hike though, pretty good. And see you guys in the next episode.